how to turn off keyboard vibration on Android. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off your keyboard vibration on Android. And here is how to go about it. The first step to do is to open up your Android device and then locate any text input field. Okay, for me, I'll just go to my messages so that I can bring up a text input field. All right, so this is a text input field. Now, once you can see this, you can see your text being displayed here. Okay. Now, once you can see all of this, you can see some options, all right, such as the sticker option, the GIF option, the clipboard, and then the gear icon. This gear icon represents the settings icon. So that is what you would click on. So after clicking on the settings icon, I am brought to the settings page. Here you can see other options like languages, preferences, theme, text correction, glide typing, etc. Just go ahead and click on preferences. So after clicking on preferences, you can see all of the options here: the number roll, show emoji switch key, sound on key press, haptic feedback on key press. Then you can see vibration strength on key press. So this haptic feedback on key press, the next thing you will do is to just turn it off. And just like that, you no longer have vibration for your keyboard. Okay. And then if you want sound on key press too, you can turn it on, or if not, you can just turn it off. Then if you want to pop up on key press, you leave it this way, or if not, you can turn it off. You can also manage the sensitivity here, that is the input sensitivity here, to high if you want, or to low or normal, whichever one. And then once you're done, just like that, it will be effected. So this is how to go about it. This is how you can turn off keyboard vibration on Android. Thanks for watching and have a good day.